Here are some must-haves for the environmentally conscious camper. 1. Reusable water bottle. Bring a reusable water bottle made of stainless steel or glass that you can refill at water stations or streams instead of using disposable plastic bottles. 2. Eco-friendly cookware. Choose cookware made of natural materials like cast iron or stainless steel, which are long-lasting and easy to clean. Avoid non-stick pans, which can release toxic chemicals when heated. 3. Solar-powered lights. Bring solar-powered lights that can be recharged during the day and used at night instead of using disposable batteries. 4. Biodegradable toiletries. Choose toiletries that are biodegradable and environmentally friendly, like soap and shampoo bars. Avoid single-use toiletries like shampoo and soap packets, which create unnecessary waste. 5. Portable bidet. Bring a portable bidet instead of using disposable wet wipes. 6. Reusable utensils and dinnerware. Avoid using disposable plastic utensils and plates by bringing reusable ones made of bamboo or other sustainable materials. 7. Sustainable camping gear. Look for camping gear made of sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled polyester. 8. Leave No Trace guidebook. Bring a Leave No Trace guidebook or download an app that provides tips on how to minimize your impact on the environment while camping. 9. Eco-friendly bug repellent. Choose an eco-friendly bug repellent that does not contain harmful chemicals. 10. Water filtration system. Bring a water filtration system to purify water from streams or lakes instead of buying bottled water. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.